Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of social sciences, specifically anthropology, political science, and sociology. Get ready to explore how these disciplines help us better understand ourselves, our societies, and the world around us. What are the social sciences? Social sciences are fields of study focused on human behavior, society, and relationships. They help us understand why we act the way we do, how societies are organized, and the effects of our actions on the world. Now, let me ask you, why do you think it's important to study human behavior and society? Excellent answer. Yes, studying human behavior and society helps us in many ways. It makes us more self-aware, helps us build better relationships, and guides us to solve social problems. It's also important for making informed decisions and being an active, responsible citizen. As you said, when we understand the world around us, we don't just live in it, we help improve it. Let's break it down. Why social sciences matter. First, it helps us understand ourselves and others. We become more aware of our own motivations, biases, and decision-making processes. It fosters empathy and tolerance. By learning about others' experiences, we appreciate diverse perspectives and build better relationships. Second, it's essential for addressing social problems. We can identify the root causes of issues like poverty, crime, inequality, and discrimination, and create effective solutions for fairer, healthier communities. Third, it helps us build a better future. By observing societal trends, we can predict and respond to problems like health crises, economic challenges, and environmental issues. It also supports sustainable development. Fourth, it enhances civic engagement. When we understand political systems and social structures, we become more active, responsible citizens, able to participate in decisions, hold leaders accountable, and advocate for positive change. Studying human behavior and society isn't just for scholars. It's for everyone who wants to grow, solve problems, and build a better, fairer world. Now, let's begin with anthropology. It explores humanity, past and present. It studies culture, evolution, customs, beliefs, and physical traits. Use fieldwork observation and excavation to uncover our shared history and appreciate the incredible diversity of human experience. The four major branches of anthropology. 1. Cultural anthropology. Studies beliefs, traditions, and social behaviors in communities. Examples: festivals, marriage, customs, religious practices, daily social interactions. 2. Physical or biological anthropology. Focuses on human evolution, genetics, and physical traits. Examples: fossils, human anatomy, how the human body changed over time. 3. Archaeological anthropology. Studies ancient human societies by examining artifacts, ruins, and remains. Examples: ancient pottery, cave paintings, burial sites. 4. Linguistic anthropology. Studies human language, its changes, and its role in culture and identity. Examples: indigenous languages, how language reflects culture. Together, these branches help us understand human life in all its forms, our bodies, languages, cultures, history, and traditions. How does anthropology help us appreciate other cultures? Anthropology teaches us to move beyond superficial judgments and see the unique value, meaning, and beauty in every culture. It fosters empathy, challenges biases, and helps us embrace a more inclusive, understanding worldview. By studying how people celebrate important events, express beliefs and values, adapt to environments, pass down traditions, we develop deeper respect for diversity. It reminds us that what seems strange in one culture might be perfectly meaningful in another, and that every culture matters. Next, let's talk about sociology. Sociology is the study of society, social relationships, and how people interact in groups, communities, and institutions. It focuses on how human behavior is shaped by social structures, like family, religion, politics, and education. Sociologists examine how people form rules, deal with conflicts, and create systems of order and meaning in their communities. What social issues can sociology help us address? Sociology helps us address social issues, including inequality, poverty, discrimination, family problems, crime, mental health awareness, healthcare access, education gaps, climate change, and environmental justice. Sociology helps us analyze problems, understand their root causes, and think of ways to improve lives and communities. Lastly, we have political science, the study of government, politics, and power relations. It examines how power is gained, used, and controlled in different societies, from small communities to entire nations. Political scientists study leadership and authority, laws and policies, political systems and ideologies, people's rights and responsibilities. They use tools like document analysis, polls, and case studies to understand how governments work and how decisions affect daily life. Why is it important to understand politics in daily life? Because politics shapes almost every aspect of our lives, from the laws we follow to the services we receive. It helps us make sense of current events, defend our rights, participate in decision-making, promote fairness and positive change. Whether we notice it or not, politics affects our choices, opportunities, and future, and understanding it helps us become better, more responsible citizens. Now let's quickly compare the three. Anthropology focuses on human culture and evolution. Sociology focuses on society and social behavior. Political science focuses on governance and power. Though they differ in methods and topics, each offers valuable insights about human life. Which one do you find most interesting? Why? To wrap up, why should we study social sciences? Because they help us become informed and responsible citizens, culturally aware and tolerant individuals, problem solvers for social, political, and cultural challenges, better decision makers, active participants in society's social sciences help us understand ourselves, others, and the world. They teach us to think critically, act responsibly, and work toward making a positive difference in our communities. Thank you so much for joining this presentation. I hope you gained valuable insights and feel inspired to explore these social science disciplines further. Remember, understanding society is the first step to improving it. See you next time.